So with YouTube, man, today I'll be cleaning my cage out once again, but this time I'm pressure wash. I already put the water down and I put bleach out in the cage. I got a pressure washer right there. Can't zoom in, but yeah, there's a pressure washer right there. Finna go on the pressure wash the cage. I got dogs. I'm finna flip the camera and show y'all. Got Cinnamon right there, Storm right there, Cherry right there, Chico over there laying down. Chico! Yeah, Chico over there laying down. Yeah, that's pressure wash the cage. You know, I'm finna hook the water hose too. I got everything, got the cage and everything, but this cage will be fixed up soon. Yeah, I got bleach out on the cage and pressure wash. Goddamn pressure washing the cage, letting the cage air dry. Still got all the dogs out. Oh yeah, another thing, man, puppies should be here around Halloween time. So everybody ready for that raffle, man. Y'all get y'all money ready for that raffle. $6 a ticket. I don't want to charge nobody a lot, man. Just $6 a ticket. You get a chance to win a free puppy, man. If y'all don't want to get in the raffle, that's alright. I just, not do the raffle.